This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fully apply the handbrake and chock the rear wheels. Using the special anti-theft wheel nut adapter from the toolkit where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the vehicle body chassis rails and raise the vehicle until the front wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the chassis rail and lower the jack. Fully slacken the retaining nuts and remove the road wheel. Carefully pull the rubber brake hose from the support bracket. Undo the nut and disconnect the anti-roll bar link rod from the strut. Use an Allen key to counter hold. Slacken and remove the clamp bolt securing the hub carrier to the suspension strut. Using a suitable lever or a large screwdriver, spread the slot in the top of the hub carrier until the hub carrier can be pulled from the end of the strut. If necessary, tap the hub carrier down to free it from the strut using a soft-faced mallet. With the hub carrier released, support it on an axle stand, making sure that the drive shaft joints are not bent excessively. Working in the engine compartment, support the strut, then unscrew and remove the top mounting nut using an Allen key to counter hold, then remove the mounting plate. Lower the strut from the top mounting and withdraw it from under the wheel arch. If necessary, remove the mounting insulator from the top of the strut. Refit the mounting insulator to the top of the strut and manoeuvre it into position. Locate the top mounting plate over the piston rod, then fit the mounting nut and tighten it to the specified torque. Engage the lower end of the strut with the hub carrier, ensuring the slot for the clamp bolt aligns with the holes in the hub carrier. With the hub carrier correctly located, insert the lower clamp bolt and tighten it to the specified torque. Reconnect the anti-roll bar link rod, then tighten the retaining nut to the specified torque. Press the rubber brake hose grommet back into place in the strut bracket. Locate the road wheel over the mounting studs. Refit the retaining nuts and tighten them lightly. Raise the vehicle slightly, remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the road wheel nuts to the specified torque. Remove the wheel chocks.